Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to install on a brand new Apple iPhone 70 Pro, 70 Pro Max a case. A case is a protective thing which is an accessory for our smartphone. And there are a lot of materials where these cases are made from on the market available. In my case, first you can see this is aramid fiber. It's also on the market available, or it's nearly so like others, really thin materials. Or on the other hand, there are silicon stuff which is like rubber. It is flexible on the market, and um, all of them are designed that they matches to the iPhone 70 Pro 100%. That means there are areas where the camera system can be covered and the each button are covered in that cases. To install your Apple iPhone 70 Pro onto such a case, you should have a look that the case should are MagSafe proof. That means that there are magnets built in to the case that you can use your phone with the MagSafe compatible accessory too. And then you can get the phone into position. Easy peasy, swipe it into it on one side. Then press it onto the other side until it is covered with the case. Then it is installed. That's easy, huh? To get the phone out of the case, it's easy too because there is a big area of camera on the back side of the device, and you will take your fingers there and push the case, and the phone are separated. Job's done, hey? The case is for protecting the edges, for protecting the backside of the smartphone as well, and the area where the cameras are lifted up a little bit. It's not mainly secure your screen. For a screen protection, you should use a screen protector too. That's the foil, a glass surface there, which brings you additional security with the front side of the device. And additionally, you can get camera support by a foil onto the camera systems. That's possible too, and I'm going to make separate videos about this protection for your iPhone 70 Pro and 70 Pro Max smartphone as well. There is additional stuff on some developers on the market available that will get your case more secured into the fit of your Apple iPhone 70 Pro model. For this, you can attach on the camera control button two covers over there by using a label system, and these two areas inside the case will get there a much better matches possibilities than before, and you can attach up to three labels. These are rubber labels a little bit into the case on three position in the inside to make it much stronger connected each other with the case. But this is optionally, of course. Often it is enough that the case and the smartphone slides into it, and they are married then again. Of course, yeah, that's easy, huh? Of course. So you can install and, of course, remove your Apple iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max into a case or out of it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!